Welcome to Mini Talks with Queen La. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share for more weekly Mini Talks with Queen La. So, how y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. We're almost to the end of the week. So, we had a little storm that was coming out here in Houston. I think it hit some of South Texas area, Galveston, Louisiana. I mean, it's pretty hot out here. Then they said that we was gonna get probably like the rain and all that, but I guess she weakened because it is still beaming hot out here in Houston. It is very hot. So y'all make sure y'all be safe in this heat because this type of heat where you just pass out type of heat. I was in it this week and I was like, whew. And I'm usually a cold nature type of person. But I was like, ooh, this heat, I can't, I cannot. So y'all stay safe out there. Stay hydrated. Drink water because this heat is not playing with us. So anyway, guys, let's jump into today's topic. I want to talk about photography, getting your photography shots on the runway. Now, models, when you get on the runway, you stop at the end of the runway, you get your little pose, and then you go down, and there's usually like photographers on the left, right, middle, and you have seconds. They have seconds to capture you. You have seconds to give that powerful shot for them to capture. Now, there's a key to this because I see a lot of models that they get midterm pictures where the photographer then caught a midterm turn or caught the back of their heads or something like that. And the designers depend on the models to get these nice shots because this is what they use to promote their brand, their clothing, their pieces on their website or so forth. And it gives you an opportunity to be used by that designer again if you get the shots captured so perfect for them. Now, here's the key. When you get to the end of the runway, you get that pose, right? You get that one pose, that you want, that powerful pose. You look to the camera to the right, to the front, and to the left. Don't move your body. That's the one thing. Don't move your body. Capture that pose and then give the look here, here, and here. You still got that nice structure pose, and then the photographers all got you, and it's no moving or nothing. There's eye contact. Then you slightly want to move to the next side when you want to show off the sides of the pieces. And you do the same thing. Lock in on the photographer. You're to the side, and it's bam, bam, bam. And then if you have some detail in the back of the dress, then as you're making your turn around, you give that over the shoulder look, and it's here, and your eye contact, photographer, 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 and you keep going. Now, this is not as slow as I said it because, like I said, you have seconds to get these poses and they have seconds to capture you. But this is how you can get the poses without them just looking all, half done, back of the head, move the eyes, capture the pose and move the eyes. You can practice that. Drop in the comments below if you need some Zoom classes or something where I can help you, or you need some tips. Let me know because that is the key. Don't start moving so much at the end. I have seen models that be just twisting and turning and blah, 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 you don't have to do all that. Work the eyes. It's in the eyes. Capture that pose and work the eyes. And that's what's going to get you those power shots. Powerful, powerful shots. So y'all work on that. Like I said, walk, pose at the beginning. And that's one pose, not 2 or 3 different poses at the beginning. One pose. Start your journey down the runway. Get to the end. Bam, bam, bam. Eye contact. Come back shoulder if there's some detail you want to show, or you don't even have to do the over the shoulder look. But sometimes the photographers may say, if you hear them say over the shoulder, over the sky, over the shoulder, da, 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 then you know they want you to keep your same position, but just turn your head to the back, and that's over the shoulder. All right. So y'all work on that, and let me know how your shots came out. Because I'm telling you, you're going to get some killer shots if you do it that way. And that's even anywhere, guys. If you go to a gathering And then you know how a family gathering and a lot of people are trying to take pictures of you, and you're standing. I've done it so many times. I'm like, but you know, they don't know. We're standing there and we're taking the same picture 4, 5, or 6 times because they're like, oh, my turn. Oh, wait, my turn. And then, okay, wait, I didn't get it with my. You don't have to do that. When you have people in front of you that are taking pictures of you and at family functions or whatever, give some insight tips to your family. Move your eyes. All right, we got the same pose. Let's just move to this person, move to Uncle Benny, move to cousin, move to Joe, and we all got the picture. Y'all all got the picture. We didn't have to keep moving. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there. But that's our mini talk for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share for more weekly mini talks with Queen Lot. I see you tomorrow at 12 noon for fashion, not so much Fashion Friday, but we're going to talk about what you wear on the runway for runway casting. Let's put it like that, for runway casting. What you wear to a casting. So we go mix that up, and then I'll do some shout outs. So see you tomorrow at 12 noon. Bye.